So is your seatbelt buckle falling all the way to the ground like this, and it makes it very annoying when you have to buckle up your seatbelt? Well, let me show you why. Because there should be a seatbelt buckle button right here, and it's fallen out. It should look like this one over here. It should have that little button right there, but it doesn't. Well, the button's gone. The button is missing, so what we need to do is get a new button. So this is made by Dorman seatbelt stop kit. You can pick this up at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, Advanced Auto Parts. Probably Pep Boys has them as well. Part number is 74359 or 74358. I'll also put a link in the description below where you can buy it on Amazon. But pretty simple fix. Just click these together and you'll have a new button. Okay, so I got it through on that side. Pushed it through the seatbelt material, the webbing. And I'll bring in the other side and click this together. If you're having problems clicking this together, you can always get a pair of pliers and have it go that way. I actually want to put this the other way. I want this sticking out that way. So, oh yeah, and also make sure your belt buckle is above the button when you do this. Don't forget to do that. So I put the blank rivet facing out, and then the button part facing in. Just squeeze them together. Seems to be holding. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers and squeeze these together a little bit tighter. But yeah, guys, if your seatbelt buckle is falling all the way to the ground and you want it to stop, you just get a seatbelt stop kit, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick them up on Amazon. But yeah, simple fix. It came in a pack of 4, so it had 4 buttons, and came in 2 different colors. Came in this gray and then had black as well. So okay, so the new seatbelt buckle button is installed, but this part right here is a little bit sharp, so I'm going to trim that back. I just got a pair of nail clippers. Sorry, I don't have my tripod and my other camera, but just go in there, use the side of a pair of nail clippers, and you'll be able to trim that down a little bit because it is sticks out a little bit and kind of pointy and spiky. So I'm just going to trim that down. So I just want to let you guys know as well. Just get a pair of nail clippers, cut it off. Hope that helps you out, guys. If you can, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.